Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on Need for Speed Unbound. Unfortunately, Need for Speed Unbound does not support local split screen multiplayer. This racing title focuses exclusively on online multiplayer experiences for connecting with friends. You can still enjoy racing against other players from around the world in its robust online modes. So, while couch co-op isn't an option, online racing offers plenty of competitive fun. To play with friends, you'll need to access the Lakeshore Online Game Mode. This is the dedicated online hub where you can connect with other racers. Ensure your game is connected to the online servers before attempting to join or invite friends. Once online, you can browse your friends list and send invitations to join your party. This allows for seamless online racing sessions with up to 16 players in a single lobby. Inviting friends to your online party is a straightforward process within the Lakeshore Online mode. Navigate to the Ride option and select Invite to Party to bring up your friends list. You can then highlight and invite specific individuals to join your racing session. Need for Speed Unbound supports cross-platform play, meaning you can race with friends regardless of their gaming system. This broad compatibility ensures everyone can connect and compete together. The absence of split screen in modern racing games, like Need for Speed Unbound, often reflects a shift in development priorities. Many titles now focus on expansive online worlds and competitive multiplayer features over local couch co-op. If you are looking for games with local split screen, consider titles like Mario Kart 8 Deluxe or Rocket League, which offer excellent shared screen experiences. These games provide a fantastic way to race side by side with friends in the same room.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.